Hi everyone, I want to introduce myself. My name is Tanya and they call me Bulgarian Rose because I'm from Bulgaria itself. And if you don't know where is Bulgaria, it's on the same land with Greece, Turkey, Macedonia and Serbia. And we have a Black Sea in the east, and on the north we have Romania, and between us it's Danube River. So I would like to create different videos. It's going to be Monday, Wednesday and Friday. On Monday it's going to be about reselling and business itself. On Wednesday it's going to be about, how to put it, about like fashion. Fashion about the designers. We're going to learn about top designers or any designers in general, their life, how they become designers. And on Friday we're going to talk about the life in general. Can be cooking, where I went out. I currently live in New Jersey, but I'm New Yorker. I moved to New York from Italy in 2006. I lived in Italy for 5 years. After this I moved to New York. I lived from 2006 up to 2 years ago, and I moved here to New Jersey. And I intend to back to New York next year. I'm currently working in New York as a server, and I really love it. So, as a first video, not just to introduce myself, I can tell you what I finished like a school. I finished a designer school for clothing. I had my own business for a couple of years, creating from A to Z clothing for clients before I moved to Italy. And I finished business administration college, and here I am. I want to show you as a first video what do you need to start reselling before you buy anything. So I would like you to sign in USPS.com website, because over there you can get free boxes or envelopes for reselling for free. And first we're going to start to explain how is the business on Poshmark, because it's the easiest one. Over there is only priority shipping, that's it. You can use any box, you charge the same price for shipping or free shipping or whatever you want, but you're going to use the same boxes, doesn't matter what it is. It's within 5 pounds. We're going to talk within 5 pounds. They have even more than 5 pounds, but very rare someone order more than 5 pounds. So I picked the boxes like what I sell mostly. I sell shoes, boots, sandals. This is mostly what I sell, but I do have jewelry, I have a clothing, I have a cosmetics, I have a books, puzzles, you name it. But mostly I sell shoes. So the most important boxes for shoes are those, because depends on the size. Actually, USPS, they have an actual shoe box. Which one? And this is going to be the shape of the box itself. Doesn't fit boots, so it's going to be for shoes, sneakers. If it's ballet shoes, it's gonna be in this tiny box, regional rate box A. This is the size of the box itself. I want you to see how it looks like. Okay, so we said the first box is written shoe box. The second one, I can tell you the measures, it's 10 by 7 by 4.75. Original red box A. And after that, we have the medium plastic box. This I use more this one. Fit any shoe, sometimes even boots, because you can fold them. The size is 11 by 8.5 by 5.5. And this is the actual box. Hopefully you can see it, and you can see the difference between this and the other one box. So the next one, for a little bit bigger shoes, can fit even like a thicker sole, can be even boots. I recently ordered regional rate box B, and the size is 12.125 by 10.3 by 5.25. It's a little bit bigger than the medium box. Second one and the third one. So depending on the size of your shoes, okay, you're gonna need all three. At least I do need them. If you don't want to order all of them, just order shoe box, and that's it. So the next box is going to be for bigger shoes, mostly for the boots, and you can use for jacket, thick sweater. This is a larger box. Oh, it's written priority mail. Yes, large flat rate box. The sizes are written 12 by 12 by 5.5. This is the large box. Okay? And this is even bigger. I usually fold like knee-high boots. And you're going to see the difference between the boxes. If you want to show you. That is the difference. A lot of people, when they sell bundles is combined items, cold shoes, they use this box. And the large mailing box in this size is 12 by 12 by 8. Yeah, here get a little messy about the boxes, but it's okay. So, what else I use? For sweaters, or even specific boots, which one I don't want to fold them because of the leather. I ordered this Regional Red Box B. They're different shape. Basically, if the shoe can fit, I open them and glue them and modify them. You can fold them the shape you want, maybe this way. They still it's gonna work. So it's a Regional Red Box B. And the size, it's written somewhere. The size is 14 by 3 by 2 by 2.8 by 15.87. This is the Regional Red Box B. So they use priority, they use regional box, it's all good, the same price for shipping. And the smallest one, I use this priority mail box. It's called mailing box. It's 12.1 by 2.75 by 13.37. So this is how it looks like. I use for sweater, for jeans. You can put, like recently I put like a 2 cards. I want to use wash in any other bag, so I use this one. It's just perfect to be nice dress. You don't want to be a wrinkle in an envelope, so you're gonna use this box, mailing box code. And one is the smallest one. That's the envelope. Let me show you this box. So this tiny box is basically like cube. Mailing box is written. It's 7 by 7 by 6. I'm going to put even a picture of the boxes itself. And this tiny cube I use for cosmetics. They are really practical. The next boxes I use for jewelry or belts because they're not going to be squashed or broke. I want to hold the code to show you the difference between two of them. They're really cute, very tiny. Okay, it's written mailing box. The size is 9.1 by 6.1 by 2. And they have a smaller version. The smaller version is written small flat rate box. It's just a little bit smaller than the other one. So I use both for smallest one maybe for jewelry, the biggest one for belts. It's just they're a little bit different. So what else I use? I use this envelope. This one can be for shirt. I don't use them that much, but still it's usable. Can be for tank top or leggings. It's written flat rate envelope is 12.5 by 9.5. And after this we have the bubble one. It's a flat rate envelope. It's 9.5 by 12.5. I use for dress, shirts, tops. You can fit even jeans. Okay, and the last one is a priority mail. basically it's waterproof inside. It's a little bit bigger than the rest of it. That's why I have a different. Okay? All those items, all those boxes, envelopes are perfect for Poshmark the way they are. And after this I'm going to show, this is all for free from USPS.com. And they don't sponsor this video, just to know. I want to show you how the packages they're going to arrive to your house. Order is written, you can order 10 or 20 or 25. So depends how many you want, they're going to be. They're going to come in all this way, wrapped it up nicely. And they have one option where you can order 2 small boxes, 2 medium boxes, 2 large boxes. And that's my cat Ava. Yes. Shalom, can you open the door for her? She wants to go in the bathroom. And please. And this is the tab. So if you order the package, there are 2 small, 2 medium boxes, 2 large boxes. So it's going to come with a free tape. It's just perfect. You really need a free tape. Why to buy it? And I'm going to show you what you have to actually buy it. I ordered this from Costco. Shalom, I mentioned Costco. Kirkland from Costco. They're 400 sheets. I think it was like $7-8. I just don't want to lie. I use them to rub the shoes before I put them in the bags. I have those too. You may don't use them for Poshmark or in case you want to use them. It is something cute. They are different size. But you have to buy them Amazon or eBay, whatever you find cheaper. Maybe later on I'm going to put some link from who I purchased. You can put your priority sticker label here or just label if you don't have sticker label, and it's going to just go priority. If not, usually I use those for a Mercari first class. But anyhow, and you need those clear bags. I use them for clothes. Before you put in any envelope or box, you need these clear bags. What I ordered, thank you, sticker labels. They are this shape, or this I love the most. It's thank you. They're, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000, whatever was the roll. I don't remember. I ordered them 1 year ago. So it's nice to have it. Maybe on a bag itself, or maybe on the top of the box. So this is today for the shipping supplies. This is the most important things before you order or buy anything from the store. I advise you to try to resell your own stuff first, just to experience. And you really need to turn a little bit the money. You need at least $1,000 to $2,000. It doesn't work with $100. You're not going to do nothing, and you have to wait for the algorithm and everything else to start to work. So patient is the secret. So this is for today. I will post every Monday about the reselling, about the business. I have a lesson. The lessons, they're going to be numbered, so you can follow each one of them. I have maybe more than 200 lessons. It's going to be every Monday. So I hope that you will learn from me. If you have any question, any suggestion, if you like the video, thumbs up. If you like, you can subscribe, whatever you feel like. And I'm going to have the same lessons create for another channel in Bulgarian, so to help the people who speak only Bulgarian, not English. So this is for today. It was nice to meet you. See you next time.